Redbubble Store Review Episode 2. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Today's video, I'll continue with the second episode of the Redbubble Store Review. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Marmot Store. This is the first time I'm seeing the store, so I'm going to be giving you tips just like I see it. The first thing I noticed when I landed in this store is the background art. The background art is okay, but this color right here is not popping as much as it would if you use maybe a black background, because if you're using white, you should use a black background, or if you're using a white background, you should use black text. This text is okay, but it will pop more if you used a darker background. It must not be a black background, it can be a darker background. Brown on white is not going to pop as more as it would if it was on a darker background like black or gray, navy, those kind of dark colors. The next thing that I noticed is the number of designs. 193 designs. You need to upload more, Mohammed. You can use the Fly Upload tool. You can start for free. Link is in the description. If you decide to upgrade, you can use my code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. But 193 designs, like you said in your email that you haven't had sales yet. So if you increase the number of designs, it gives you the opportunity for more people to come across your designs and purchase it. So let's move now to the designs. Like you said in your email that you wanted to create a collection, I'm going to show you that at the end of the video. Looking at your designs, I noticed that this is great right here. This Biden Harris one. This is beautiful. I really like it. Considering that Biden got inaugurated a few days ago, this is a good pick right here. So the other designs are great. This one really pops. Now, compare this one with this one. You see that with this design right here, I can't really see it until I hover over it. And a customer won't be doing that on the home page. There's 1001 designs that they're looking at, and if your design doesn't pop like these ones right here, these ones are big. I can see it. I don't need to hover over it to see it. But look at this one right here. It's until I hover over it, then I see it. Then I see what the design is about. So if this design can be made bigger or legible, like brown on black is not that legible, but a white text on a black background, like this one right here, white text on black background is very legible, but brown text on black background is not that legible. And I like that you use t-shirts as your default view on your homepage. Many people purchase t-shirts, so I like what I'm seeing. Right here again, brown text on black background. You need to change that. Maybe choose another color instead of black. Maybe choose gray. Gray works with white text as well as dark text. So instead of choosing a dark background, try choosing a gray background. So your shirts are priced at $18.99. How much margins are your t-shirts? Is it a 5%? Is it 10? Is it 18? You need to take a look at the other t-shirts and know how to price your t-shirts. If your t-shirts are priced higher, then no one is going to purchase yours. So let me go to another page and just type t-shirts and take a look at the prices that people are pricing their t-shirts. These are trending searches. I think you should take advantage of this if you haven't, and look at these popular products again. So Redbubble tells you what you should focus on. It tells you to focus on stickers, marks, and t-shirts. So you've put t-shirts as your default product on your store, which is great. So you should always follow trends. Trends are number one way to make fast sales. So Redbubble gives you that right here. I've spoken about different ways you can follow trends in my video. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, you should definitely take advantage of it. I'm gonna do t-shirts or click t-shirts. So let's take a look at this Biden Harris 2020 t-shirt. I want to compare it with the other t-shirt. I'll copy this text, take it back to Redbubble and paste. Let's see how your t-shirt appears or where your t-shirt appears. So your price is $18.99, which is definitely lower than this one. So it's giving you an advantage over your competitors. Now let's take a look at your design. I copied the whole of your title and pasted it in the search bar. Now I'm seeing where your design stands at. As of now, I still haven't seen your design. So maybe you should take advantage of, maybe it's your keywords. Your keywords, look at that. Up to now, I still haven't seen your design. On the first page, your design is not visible. So if if your if your t-shirt is found on the first page, then maybe someone will buy it because it's really popping. I like that it's multicolored. It's a beautiful design. So let's take a look at your keywords. What I like to do is I come to the first page. If I don't use flying upload with the keyword tool, another thing that I like to do is to click on the t-shirt. When you click on the t-shirt, scroll to the bottom, you'll see a host of t-shirt tags. So these are t-shirt tags that the first t-shirt on Redbubble is ranking for. You should take advantage of this keywords exposure and use it on your listing. It should definitely land you on the first page. So those are the kind of things that I like to do. The first thing I do is to make sure that my price is the lowest, or not the lowest, lower than my competitors. And you have done exactly that. Yours is 18.99 and the others was priced at 19. So that gives you an advantage over your competitors. The next thing is your keywords. You need to land on the first page. Now these are the keywords of the t-shirts, but these are all the keywords for the product. Look at that. So many keywords. So let's take a look. Let's compare these keywords and your own keywords. Now this is your t-shirt right here. Let's scroll to the bottom and see your keywords. Take a look at that. These are your keywords. It's very small compared to the keywords of the first person on the first page. So that is one thing that you need to do. Let's go back to all your other products. Another design that is not legible, you should make it more legible. You should take a look at your designs again, Mohammed. This one too is not legible. I can't see it. Even as I've hovered over it, I still can't read it. That's what makes customers choose other t-shirts over your t-shirts, even though your prices are lower than their prices. Look at this one right here. It's very legible. I can see it. This is great. So now I'm going to show you how to create a featured collection. So go to your shop's dashboard. Right here, you will see it. It says feature collection. You should actually take a look at this. It says tips for you. Set up new products in bulk. This new tool makes it easy to set up and sell your designs on all latest products. I guess you already know how to do this. Now it says featured collection. Featured collection you're proud to share with your fans and your potential customers. So all you're doing is getting a bunch of designs that have sold well for you and put it in front of new customers and they are likely to buy it. Now it says collections on shop. So Featured collection is different from your collections on the shop. Collections on your shop is creating a bunch of collections for your designs. For example, if you're doing nature designs, you write nature and drop those designs in it. If you're doing maybe inauguration shirt or presidential shirt, you create it in a collection and you're going to put designs in it, like Biden Harris designs in it. So that's how you create collections for your shop. But that is different from featured collection. Featured collections, I like putting the designs that have sold over and over again. People like it. I drop those designs in that featured collection. So that's the difference, and you need both of them on your store. Now, engage with your fans. Need some ideas for more engaging social posts? We've got you covered. These I don't do, but you can also take a look at it. Shop links, more sales. I don't promote my Redbubble store. All of it is organic sales, but you can also take advantage of this if you want more sales. If you have time and if you have more sales, you should definitely take advantage of this. This is also uploading easy, which I think you already know. More tags, like I told you before, that you need more tags. Take a look at the first design or the first product in that category. Take a look at their, scroll to the bottom, take a look at their tags. They are ranking on the first page for a reason. So it's definitely their design, their title, and their tags that is making them land on that first page. Take a look at their listings, take a look at those three things, take a look at yours, make yours better. And it rightly says here, more tags, more views. Did you know that 15 or more tags helps you get discovered? It's true. Enable more products. More products means more chances for being found, and that could mean more dollars. Of course, you have just 193 designs. You need to upload more designs, and I use Flying Upload for this. I just set up my profile and push my designs to my store. I don't need to upload anything with my hand. It's automatic. That's what they tell you. So the only thing you need to do is to enable the feature collections on your store as well as the collections on your shop. So if you want to do that, just click feature collections and they're going to walk you through it. So it's very easy. Featured collection, choose a collection to feature on your shop. Choose a collection. I have the best selling. I have just one featured collection on my shop, which is best selling. That's why I drop my designs, which are best selling, so more people can see it and purchase it. If you want one, if you don't want anyone, you can click none. If you want one, which is this one right here, I click best selling and I click save settings. So if you don't have a feature collection, it will walk you through how to create one. So come back to collections, just click check it out. And so for the collections on your shop, that one is different. You need to go to, so select the designs that you want to put in a collection, then just click on collections. If you don't have any collections, you click this plus sign here and you type the name of the collection that you want. Once you're done, just click save. I like your store. There were just a few things that you need to take care of, which is the designs, make it more legible. Some of them, though some of them are pretty. Like this one is very legible. Some of them are not really legible, so you need to make them more visible so that any customer can see it on the search results. And you should definitely add more tags using your competitor as a yardstick. So if you want store reviews, just leave the link in the description, be it Redbubble, Etsy, Zazzle, it doesn't matter which store, even KDP, just drop the links in the description and I'll do a review of it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about KDP print on demand, there's a channel for you. See that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.